Every day you need to eat and you need to breathe. But how does eating and breathing help you survive? So, for example, when you eat an apple, you're able to get the molecules inside the apple into your body. And when you breathe in air, you can get the molecules in the air inside of your body. What kind of molecules go into your body then? For example, when you eat the apple, you might be able to get sugar from the apple. And when you breathe in air, you might be able to get oxygen from the air. Sugar and oxygen go into your body and go into each of your cells. Inside of each of your cells are structures called mitochondria, which is an organelle. These structures help your cell be able to do what they need to do. So when sugar and oxygen go into your cell, they can go into the mitochondria, and the mitochondria can use these two molecules to change them into other molecules that's useful for you. So what does the mitochondria do with sugar and oxygen? It does a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a chemical process that takes the sugar and oxygen and lets the mitochondria change them into ATP, which is a molecule, carbon dioxide, which is another molecule, and water, which is another molecule. You don't need carbon dioxide, which is why you breathe out carbon dioxide. And the water you do need to use, but you also use it to get rid of waste, and so you pee out the water. What is ATP then? ATP is a molecule that helps you have energy to do other reactions in your body to be able to survive. So you can think of ATP like a molecule that helps you have energy. Now, what exactly is a chemical reaction? So the mitochondria takes these two molecules, sugar and oxygen, and changes it into three other molecules. So chemical reaction just means that some molecules, they're able to change and become other molecules. Here's an example. When you put flour, butter, milk, and eggs and baking soda together, you put all of these different molecules into a bowl, and then you put it into an oven. That's a chemical reaction. The heat allows these molecules to change and recombine, and then you're able to make a cake like that. If you just eat eggs and milk and butter and flour and baking soda, you put them all together, you eat it like that, that will not be a cake because the chemical reaction hasn't occurred yet. And so instead of an oven, the mitochondria is the machine that's helping you change these molecules into three other molecules. And then the energy comes from the ATP, and that's how you're able to survive.